Rutgers Cancer Institute in New Jersey, together with RWJBarnabas Health, really want to promote family today, to have our survivors be able to spend a day. It's beautiful out today, and our hosts at Six Flags Great Adventure have really put together an amazing experience, and we're just looking forward to all of our survivors having a wonderful day today and taking advantage of this terrific partnership.
For the first time, a roller coaster has been wrapped in support of cancer awareness. Colorful handprints previously collected at RWJBarnabas Health facilities throughout New Jersey by many of you here today were transferred onto the Runaway Mine Train coaster cars, and it looks fantastic. It's truly fitting that many cancer survivors, along with their friends and support systems, all impacted by the disease, will be the first people to ride that runaway train, and they've ridden it before.
I was diagnosed with pre-B-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma on May 21st, 2009, just 2 days after my 7th birthday. What I hope people get out of this display is that cancer doesn't discriminate. Cancer goes for anyone and everyone, and it's great that people are aware.
We surround ourselves with big rides and superheroes, but the real heroes are the people that are fighting the real fights, and these folks who are survivors have amazing stories to tell. And so for us, partnering up with these organizations like Rutgers Cancer Institute of New Jersey and obviously RWJBarnabas, those people have a passion for keeping that conversation going, as well as actually coming up with solutions.
Rutgers Cancer Institute of New Jersey, as New Jersey's only NCI-designated comprehensive cancer center, takes our responsibility seriously, both with treating patients who are going through their journey with cancer now and those who are survivors. Hopefully we have successfully helped them through that journey, and now they're in the period of time where they are truly cancer survivors. And together with RWJBarnabas Health and Six Flags Great Adventure, we're thrilled to be able to have a day like this for those survivors and to have folks think about those survivors each and every day.